The winningest rider in GNCC history with 8 titles and 67 overall victories is coming back racing. And that is Kailub Russell, who obviously the news a couple weeks ago or a week ago came out that he was leaving KTM, or KTM and him were parting ways, however you want to say it. He is now back joining the AmPro Yamaha team, and this is super exciting. I'm going to say this, I'm biased, I'm a Blue Crew person, I'm a Yamaha guy, and see him back racing obviously is good. The last, was it 4 years, he's basically just been training the rest of the KTM guys, but now he's back racing, with a quote saying, "I'm very excited to come back to GNCC after 4 years of watching. I was at a point where I needed a break from racing. I realize now that life goes by even faster away from racing, and I don't want to miss out on being able to do what I love. I'm very happy AmPro Yamaha is giving me the opportunity to come back. It's exciting to see how stoked the whole team is to have me join, and I can't wait to return to the races." So he will be making his debut for the team at the opening round of the 2025 season, riding the Yamaha YZ450FX. And this is huge. I mean, obviously, spending the last 4 years off, and as a team signing the guy who has the most championships and the most overall wins in the series that you're running, the XZ1 class, and I'm excited for this. I mean, obviously, GNCC is very different from motocross or supercross if you're watching it, but it's cool. I mean, obviously, this is where dirt bikes. I'm gonna say this is where dirt bikes kind of started. This is the off-road bit of racing where everyone just anybody can do this. You can go take your dirt bike, you can go find some trails, you can go race it and ride it however you want. Very few people can go find a supercross track and go ride that. So this is more relatable. I don't know how you guys say it, but I'm excited for this. Hopefully he does well. Hopefully the team does well. Again, I'm a Blue Crew bias, but I don't know. You guys tell me. Comment down below. How well do you think he does? Are you excited for this? Are you going to start watching GNCC? Have you been watching it before? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.